Hi everyone, welcome back. Steven here. Today we are looking at the ANMIRO folding camping chair with footstool. This is a 3-in-1 heavy-duty option for outdoor camping applications. It's a nice portable chair. Let's take a look at what you get. The chair will support up to 330 pounds. It's made of heavy-duty materials, including a rugged steel frame that's reinforced to hold that extra weight. It has non-slip foot caps and a triangular bracket design for sturdiness, providing a solid place to sit. It is 54.5 inches long and 20.47 inches wide. One of my favorite features is the adjustable reclining backrest. It's really easy to actuate. You can see you have different levels of actuation. All you have to do is lift up the armrests and it'll recline for you. It basically goes flat, which is really nice to pair with the leg rest. The footstool is removable via this zipper, which is really helpful if you just want it to be a standard camp chair or you want to take it to weekend concerts in the park. But the reclining design is a very nice feature, especially paired with the footrest. The chair is very portable and folds up into a carry bag. The dimensions are 35.43 by 7.87 by 7.87, and so it is easy to carry around with a shoulder strap included. It has a multifunctional design that allows you to really be very comfortable when you're camping or when you're out using this. It even includes a cup holder here on the corner and an accessory pouch here. You can stash your phone or whatever you like right on the armrest. Very convenient. It also comes with a removable headrest here that attaches to some Velcro on the rear of the chair, so you can choose to bring it with you or not. Here you can see the closed position, and as we open it, the footrest fits into the slots down here at the bottom, and that means that all you have to do is lift these out of the slot and unzip it to remove the footrest if you want. But when you open the chair on the back, you'll see these really sturdy rods here, and so you want to push these down to lock it into that open position, and then from there it's ready to sit. This cup holder folds out this way as well. And when you want to sit in the chair, it's really easy because they made the footrest kind of angle in, so you can kind of move over it that way. And you can put your feet up very comfortably. And then when you want to recline, all you do is lift the armrests and you can recline really nicely. So it's a very comfortable chair, especially with the headrest there and the pouch here. And now when you're ready to stow, the process is very simple. You just want to bring those two handles up in the back. That unlocks the chair, and then it folds right up. That cup holder here folds up and it's soft there, and so too does that accessory bag. And if you want to bring these in for the footrest folding, you can just bring that up. And if you want to disconnect the footrest, all you do is pull those pegs out of the slot at the bottom and unzip it across, and the whole footrest comes off. Now here you can see this heavy duty bag that they give you for storage. I think it's a really nice bag. It's heavy duty and it's got a good shoulder strap on it. I'm going to get the feet put in here like so and bring it over the top. And there you can see it goes nicely back into the carry bag. It also has a drawstring at the top, so nothing falls out, because you do have that cushion that you can take off that's Velcro attached. And then it's got a nice shoulder strap, so you can sling it and take it where you need. I really like this chair, and I'm glad to add it to my array of camping chairs. It's definitely the nicest one I have. Overall, I am really pleased with this camping chair. I think it's a great option, and really of the camping chairs I have, it's the best one. So I know when we go on our next trip, I'm going to be fighting my wife for this one, so I may have to get more. hopefully this review helps you make a good choice about what camping chair is right for you. Thanks so much. Bye.